We are back at it again here with another video with the Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for returns for to smash that like button to when you watch this video. Helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So here we are with Aterian stock holding itself up within this consolidation and volatility, while the overall market was trying to push up higher throughout the day. Now our SPY bot since 10:05 a.m. sent us out a bull indicator, and from that moment forward, call options went up nearly 100% plus within an hour, guys. And this is our new release that allows us to have an edge within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down, and you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 Vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, the QQQ bot, our newly released Tesla bot, and we have other bots on the way so that you can receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down. And you can now join the members using these resources to maximize within the volatility in either direction by receiving the clarity and edge over the charts. So here we are with Aterian stock, again sitting sideways, trying to find consolidation and support here to try to do another leg up. And we're going to talk about key levels in the chart today. But before we break it down, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home run of the day was spectacular, beyond expectations. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. And by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. And we strive for opportunities like these every single day. So these are the two stocks I mentioned this morning. Both of them gave 5 to 10%, 10% plus, but one of them turned out to be a home run, and that was SOUN. We caught this one in the pre-market as it was sitting sideways under a bull indicator, pulling downwards towards the bell, went under a bear indicator towards the bell, and after the bell, hitting that dip area and shifting into strength on 42 Vision, got that bull indicator as well as an extra layer of confirmation, went into full strength and got that highest point within minutes of 30% plus, guys. If you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us, and we strive for opportunities like these every single day. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are with Aterian stock holding itself up, as I stated earlier in the video, trying to consolidate here and find support to see if it gets another leg up. I'm going to pull up Ultimate 42 Vision, the bull and bear indicators, which you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 Vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, our QQQ bot, and newly released Tesla bot. And we have other bots on the way so that you can receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down. You can now join the members as well using these resources, maximizing within the volatility by receiving that clarity and edge over the charts. So here we are with Aterian stock, has been under a bull indicator since the 29th of April, down here at $5.05. And even though it pulled downwards, it pulled itself back up yesterday, going into the pre-market and after the bell. And today it's still holding itself up above those levels. We're currently at 530s to 540 range, and it's going to be very important to be aware of these current levels. But let's go ahead and talk about the 4-hour here first and the 1 day, and then we're going to break down all the key levels to be aware of going to tomorrow. So the first thing is the 4-hour is under a bull indicator since yesterday at $5.16, and it all started to move upwards through this consolidation and strength all around since way down here at $4.67, give or take. Even though it was under a bear indicator, that move started. Now, we were looking for strength here and this bear indicator to get canceled out by a bull indicator, and it popped up. And right now, as we see it, it's consolidating up here at these levels, and we just got a dark green with red borders. We need to watch that carefully to see if it could be the setup for the next bull run like it did here, or could it transition back into a bear indicator, which would mean we would transition from dark green with red borders eventually into a red bar, and a bear indicator can pop up anywhere along the way, canceling out this bull indicator. But for now, this bull indicator has canceled out this bear indicator, and definitely something to watch and be aware of, that there is some strength here. And if you really look at it on the 30-minute, it's been holding up at these levels and not coming back down, and under a bull indicator as well. Now, if we go over to the 1 day though, you could see that the 1 day is continuing to hold that bull indicator strong since $2.44, 45 cents give or take, and pure strength all throughout the volatility. Now, in this turnaround here, I always stated this could be a setup for the next bull run as it's unraveling right now, because none of them shifted into red bars and there was no bear indicator in the process, even though they were dark green with red borders. Things shifted back up. It's been a volatile upward direction, but there continues to be strength all throughout this chart. Now, if this bull indicator was to get canceled out, that is something to watch and be aware of, and we would probably see back-to-back several dark green with red borders or red bars to the downside, right? Right now, we are far from that. We are currently at bright green, and the question mark here is, will it continue? It shifted from dark green to bright green. Will it continue? And one of the ways is by breaking through resistance levels, and that the next bars are larger than the previous, right? And excuse my terrible drawing, but just to show you guys as an example, just like how this consecutively continued to the upside, that's what we want to see here as well, because we are under a bull indicator and things are still showing strength. But for the strength to continue, we need to see that type of movement over the chart. So on the 30-minute, we're still under that bull indicator, but what are the key levels going into tomorrow? So the first thing is our support of the day. The lowest point was 532. If that gets broken through, yesterday's low is a key level, 517. I would watch how the bulls are doing within this area, if they're trying to bring it back up, or if the bears are tearing this one down further to the downside. So it's going to be important to watch now. Now to the upside, we want to break above the high of the day, which was a rejection just a cent below yesterday's high, which is 570, and there's been several rejections at around this area. This is going to be super important based off the history of the chart and where we're at right now, for the stock to break above 570s, 580s, and get itself back up above $6. I've been talking about this time after time in every single video. A lot of volatility going on here on the 30-minute, but we are under a bull indicator right now. And as long as the bulls can hold themselves up and not break through supports, this could still signify some strength in conjunction with the 1 day as we see it holding itself up under a bull indicator, and the 4-hour continuing these shifts up and now under a bull indicator as well since yesterday. So very interesting how the chart is setting up right now, what 42 Vision is showing, and how the bulls and bears are fighting on this one. But the bulls are trying to hold it up, but they need to get above $6 to have further strength and possibly get some shorts to squeeze out of their positions. And to receive clarity within the charts, check out the link down below in the description to the 42 Vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, the QQQ bot, our newly released Tesla bot, and there's many more bots on the way to get connected to the Discord. It sends us direct notifications to give us that edge and clarity within the charts, and you can receive this edge and clarity that you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize on the opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down. You can now gain access to these resources and join the members using these resources, receiving that edge and clarity within the volatility to the markets, whether stocks are jumping up, going down, bearish or bullish. No FOMO, no chasing, just focused on what really matters and maximizing within those moves. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.